Don't wait for the first cold spell to hit to get your furnace ready for winter. Furnace maintenance is critical to keeping it running smoothly and safely. In this video, we'll cover the 5 steps you need to take before the cold weather begins. First, consider hiring a pro. While there are some steps you can take yourself, keep in mind that a professional furnace tune-up is usually recommended. The pros have the experience and tools necessary to keep your furnace in working order and catch any issues before they become critical. Plus, many furnace warranties require an annual inspection by a professional to maintain full coverage, so keep that in mind. Before we dive into our DIY furnace maintenance, make sure that you have all the right tools at hand. Read the manual and turn off the furnace before getting started. Number 1, change the filter. First things first, you need to clean or replace the filter because it cleans the air going through the system, aka the air in your house. And a dirty filter makes your furnace work harder to circulate the air, putting extra strain on it. Normally, a furnace filter should be changed or at least cleaned every 1 to 3 months, depending on the manufacturer's recommendation and your particular home and usage. But you might want to replace it every month if you have pets or a particularly dusty home. Number 2, clean the major components. To keep your furnace in great shape, you may want to visually inspect and clean key components. Here's how you can do that in a few simple steps. If the blower is easily accessible on your model of furnace, use a vacuum and brush to clean it. Lubricate the blower motor if your furnace manual instructs. If you can, clean the heat exchanger and flame sensor by brushing them with a non-abrasive pad and vacuum it. Again, this may be easier to do on some models than others. To clean the burner, you can use the vacuum to clean off any dirt, soot, and debris gathered on it. Test and clean the igniter if accessible. But be warned, this type of maintenance is generally best left to a professional. Number 3, replace batteries. If you have smoke alarms and carbon monoxide detectors, you should check or replace their batteries every 6 months. The beginning of winter is a good time to do so. Number 4, check the vents. Check the vents in your home to ensure they are open and unobstructed. And check the exterior exhaust vent on the side of your home to ensure it is clear. Number 5, firing it up. Finally, after all that hard work, you can switch the thermostat to heating and test that your furnace is working properly. And be sure to check out FurnacePrices.ca for tips, in-depth buying guides, furnace reviews, and customer ratings, and to get free quotes from our network of certified local contractors. And if you found this video helpful, take a second to hit the like button.